Kapung Umiam lani kabangi tipat ba kadam site kadai kawa kabla pau nam baha lah karukom penmi boarding neh ka Jingkitkhieh ka jongka kapung Umiam ka he kumba arspa arpsan square kilometer ya kapung Umiam lashna da ka baker ya kawa Umiam hakisnam khat khandai spa andru pho da ka Assam States Electricity Board bat ka jingthmu jong ka ne kadam kalong ban penmi ya ka boarding electric ha ka ba kala trekam baha hakisnam khat khandai spa andru pho san bat ka Umiam stage 1 kadai ka reservoir storage hydroelectricity project ka baningkong hapo ka than shatay lammi ngi kari India kapung Umiam ka kringru ya kinong jungok kai perthei ka longru ka jaka bapau nam naka benta ki water sports but adventures kinong syang perthei ki wan sya ka ni ka jaka na benta ka kayaking ka water cycling ka scooting bat ban shongling na lor ka jing penlang ya ka na benta ka laj kapung Umiam ka yarap ru ban sumar ya shibun ki jat jing thau ba im laki long ki micro meso bat makro henrei nakadaw ka jingkiw ka jingbun brew ha kanong ba shlong bat ka jingbom biang ki jaka ban ker ya ki di ki Jaboh ban poi syapo ka kapung bat kapung Umiam kelas dangdu ya ki Jingitynnad jongka na mar ka jing Jaboh ha kani ka thuk video ngiwan ra syapi ya ka jingthmu ba baha jong ka sorkar ban persyang ban pen khot ya kani kapung Umiam ha ka jingatrelang bat ka smart village movement ngi hap rung na surok rem ka bahajan Martin ban poi syadu ka jaka baki khot ka jingking kalong nang ni ngi syong da kaling ban let sya ka jaka ka baki Jaboh na shlong ki tuat bat hang ni ngi kendo ya ki brew jong ka smart village movement kat baki dang pen khot ya ka wa Umiam ha ka baki la pendan kam da ukliar bot kalong ka basngusi ban yo iya kum kini ki jaka namar ki brew habaki wan sya shlong ki jusngau tenat ya kapung Umiam ban syondor ban pet ya ki Jingitynnad jongka kinong ki khwai do bat kidi bat kalat nyo na kani kawa henrei nyimpoi perkhat bakat ni ki Jaboh kinsa ha kini ki benta jongkawa habakum ne yanungin keno hato ya ka sorkar ki pat ba ne ya ka wa khra ne wa sherpi ne ka Martin sa jubab maphi
हो जाएगा ना होता है थोड़ा हम ले जा चलो 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 तो So how was the fishing?
Oh man, I collected like over 250-300 kgs.
Oh, already?
Already.
Yeah.
And
Different kind of fishes, shoes, bags, sandals.
yeah.
I'm here to look for mine actually. I lost one.
Maybe in one of the boxes.
Yeah, maybe.
You need to tell us your size.
So how long have you been collecting these now?
So we've been collecting this for about 1 hour approximately.
Okay.
We are collecting at around 50 to 60 kgs in like 30 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah. And you see, doesn't seem to end.
So, but these are only the floating ones, right?
This is only the floating ones. Yeah.
And can't imagine what's there underneath, yeah?
Underneath, yeah.
How long have you been doing this here?
Actually, we've been running this business like as a startup for about 3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know, this robot was built about 2 years ago. This design, and now we've been running it across the world. This is the first time we're here in Meghalaya.
So how many bots do we have?
This one, we have about 12 more robots.
So here's just this one that you work here now.
The same design. Yeah.
Okay.
That's all. You open it for me. Sit here.
So how do you run the grid? I mean, is it fueled?
Fully electric.
Full electric?
Yeah. These cabins that you're seeing, no, they're all batteries.
Okay.
So you can take all of this out, and there's a battery underneath. And this is the charging port. Where is it? We plug the charging here. And this charges the robot up.
How long does it run then?
This runs for about 4 hours.
Okay, then you have to recharge.
Yeah, in one full charge it runs for 4 hours and then we put it on charging. It charges for another 4 hours to run for another 4 hours. And it can be fully solar powered, so we connect like solar panels to it.
So this is going on a pilot project, so to say now?
Yeah, right now we are here for a pilot project. We got here on Monday actually.
Okay.
And since Monday we've been cleaning every day. So you'll see that there's like a pile of trash on the shore back there as well. We've been collecting it every day. So in total I think we have quite a bit. We've got the weighing scale to measure it today. It's the last day.
How's the rubbish like?
Oh man. It's fun to take it out, I guess. There's all sorts of things like, you know, of course all these Tetra packs and all, but also like shoes, slippers, bottles.
And now you'll be heading back to that station there? Or
Yeah, we'll be heading back to where we parked this boat. It's a little bit down the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shim to do?
Terus sini ya.
Yang long they can do it straight there. Straight.
Jadi one step. Saya itu lang hangit tak main-main. Ini tak boleh.
So how do you take them to?
Kasmat Village Movement kapersyang ban penkhut biang ya kedai kawa ha kejinga lang bat ka sorkar henrei ladana kaliang kipat ba ngim ai kejinga lang bat ki ngiai beteng ban berat pathar kejing thmu jong Kasmat Village Movement bat ka sorkar kan long ka balik no ei namar ki Jaboh man kasngi ki yai tut Habang iyo banyak keren, bat ki breu ki bapen khut ya kane ka jaka, ki ya thu ba kane ka pung, kadai ka wei ne ki jaka, ba Jaboh tam, ka ba ki yo ban pen khut, hato ngin sngu sarong ni ngin sngu rem.
When we came here on Monday, I was visibly shocked because we've done this robot in a lot of different places. We've done it in Hong Kong, we've done it here in India and Bangalore, but we've never seen our robot run in such dirty waters. So this was kind of a little bit, you know, shaking there to see how much trash is here, to be honest. So if you're asking what the biggest achievement is that, hey, we've collected, what, 250, 300 kgs of trash. I think that's achievement enough, man.
And Meghalaya is apparently known to be one of the cleanest
water.
What an irony, no?
Yeah.
I mean, outside looks like everything is posh, green and clean, and in the backyard, oh my goodness. So how long do you think this can? I mean, the lifespan of the robot depends on the battery?
Actually, this machine itself has been around for 2 years, and it's working in different sites in India as well. So, to be very honest, we've designed these boats to last really long. It's made out of fiberglass, and that's what, you know, those big yachts and stuff are made out of. So we don't think this boat is going anywhere in 10 years that way. So obviously, as the technology improves, we keep improving the technology on the boat, but the body itself is going to stay for 10 years, no problem.
So in case of floods or high waters,
we've been running it in open oceans as well. So in Hong Kong, actually, we clean oceans around the Hong Kong island.
Okay.
So we've tested this. That's why this boat is in a catamaran design, as we call it. It has 2 hulls, right? And so it can survive waves. It's very stable. It drives a little slower, but you know, it's very stable. It can survive all kinds of waves.
So
water,
you won't capsize or anything like that.
It can survive all kinds of weathers and all. So. You know, the rains in Meghalaya are brutal, right? So.
And you ran it in the rain too?
We've not run it. We've not had rain since Monday.
Oh.
There's been slight rain, but it's not been that heavy, I guess, for Meghalaya standards. But we've been running it, it's fine.
Badang, benda dia bersyukur dia keti try kan cimpur kan ni.
Anstom
Ha.
Shim ni kan. Ni ada tong bukan bin dah ni kan kita. Kalau kapan sekarang tak. Selebar kartu.
Dari hilap lagi persang, you teng, kau teng. Ini ban lum. Yut, sini nak mana?
Sini pergi buan bayi cuy lum. Kena apa tu? Baga buan. Dia tam petang kesuka ban lum di kan. Ini pasti kita tam.
Oh.
Belong di.
Itu long di, long teman yo di scrap kan? Itu kita tam lagi pada ka. Kecil.
Ali. Lalu di nomor siapa muyok?
Ban penne ya ka Jingkitnnad kane ka wa kala de yangi ban perkhat arsin haswa ban the ya ki nyut khamtam ki plastik shaki wa bat kinala haki dong bat kishnong jongi namar lada ka Jaboh kapung Umiam kadai ka Jingkitkhlieh jonga bat jongpi lada ngim sumar bha ngin sadu ya kane kapung namar kan sedap satang ki plastik. Nginget kane ka video kan yarap ya phi ban sngo thu kumno ban sumari ki Jingkitnnad haka maryang ngin le khoit man ka sngi ngin bread iki nyot sheki jaka badai ban bread ngin sumar khoit ya ka saudong saukun jongi topen melin ya lade ban sumar khoit man ka sngi om tang haka sngi environment day.